Ladies and gentlemen, once upon a campfire, my buddy, who thinks an Allen wrench is a type of pasta, decided to modernize his tent using duct tape and a car battery. Long story short, we woke up to the soothing aroma of melting nylon and panic. That was the day I vowed never to camp again, unless it came with a thermostat, plumbing, and a Spotify playlist from 1973. And wouldn't you know it, I found just that in Roberta. Now, before we unpack the groovy magic of this vintage beast, smash that subscribe button, like it's a mosquito in your camper. Back to Roberta. This isn't just a 1973 Airstream. This is a disco-era legend reborn. Named after Roberta Flack, yep, the same year she dropped. Inside, you've got a full-size bed, a comfy sofa, and a bathroom where you can actually shower standing up, not hunched like a guilty raccoon. The kitchen's open plan and armed with a stove, energy-saving fridge, and water heater ready to brave winter like it's no big deal. What really had me clapping like an overexcited seal? The combo of energy-efficient LED lighting, plus mood-setting colored LEDs, eco-friendly insulation, and enough storage to hide everything from snacks to sibling rivalries. The shell? Original aluminum, resealed to perfection. The guts? All new, baby, from wiring to plumbing. The AC and heating unit keep you cozy year-round, whether you're parked at the Grand Canyon or your in-laws' driveway, pretending you can't hear them knocking. Price? $97,000. Yeah, that's flying cloud money, but flying cloud ain't got Roberta's backstory or soul. I believe history matters, and this rolling diva's been to the junkyard and back like a phoenix with hubcaps.